Billy Wiz back online. I'm going to explain to you and show you how to buy Poodle on Uniswap. Basically, you will need to have a MetaMask wallet or some kind of wallet set up that's not Binance or controlled by one of the big exchanges. I use MetaMask. It's a free app that you can download. It also integrates with your Chrome. You can see it's there for me. There you can click it, you log in, rah rah, that's my one. And then I'm on the Poodl website at the moment. The link will be in the item description. Very similar video to Tosser and to Hodge. So basically you click on the Uniswap button in the top right hand corner and that will take you through to the Uniswap page and it will have the contract address for the token ready. So you'll see Poodl there, but you want Poodl at the bottom. I don't know why it keeps doing this, putting Poodl at the top for me. I've already got my Poodl. I love Poodl. So I love everything basically. I'm an easy guy. Always do your own research and make sure you know what you're investing in. With this, you basically get here, so you've linked your wallet to it. So you can see my wallet is linked, it will say connect wallet. If you can't do this, you'll need to go, when you're on the Chrome extension, or you've got MetaMask on the Chrome extension, or the Trust wallet, or the Coinbase wallet, then you can literally do it like this, and it's very straightforward. If you're on the phone and you're on MetaMask, it will have a wallet, and then on the left hand side with the three lines, you'll be able to click on it, and it will have browser. On that browser, you then want to go on Uniswap, and then Uniswap will integrate with your MetaMask wallet to be able to connect and then use the ETH that you have. You'll have to send your ETH from an exchange. You can buy it on MetaMask if you're from America, I believe, on a credit card or something along those lines. Other than that, if you're anywhere else in the world, you'll have to send it via exchange and withdraw your ETH to your MetaMask wallet and use it, and then you'll end up with a balance of ETH. And then you go ahead and you basically max. No, I'm only joking. You wouldn't max it. You go do what you want. 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, whatever. It should all be good. It all is it all helps, doesn't it? You know what I mean? If it goes up, hunky dory, but things can go down as well. So be very wary. And like I said before, do your own research. So what happens? You put 0.3 ETH and it will turn up in a certain amount of Poodle. Normally you'll be able to swap that and then confirm the swap, and then yeah, it will come up with confirm. If you're having trouble, you can edit the gas fee and put it up to fast. That's what a lot of people do. It costs $13 more for the transaction, but at the same time, it will stop you getting cancellations and rejections, so it can save you money in the long run. If you're looking to sell your Poodle, this can be a problem for some people that are unaware of it. It's like that. So if I go like that, confirm swap, it will say this: the transaction cannot succeed due to error undefined. This is probably an issue due to one of the tokens. It's crap. There's just Uniswap trying to get rid of the blame. Basically, get rid of a zero, add a zero, and you'll see it comes back at 0.29999, which is negligible difference. And then when you click swap and confirm swap, it will go, yeah, do you want to do it? I'm back here where I'm customizing the gas. If I close that, it will say confirm, and then I'll be able to withdraw the 0.3 ETH's worth of Poodle. But I am sweet as a nut for that. And that is it. Basically, always make sure your slippage is at 5%. That is important as well. I should have probably said that at the start, but what can you do? Always make sure the slippage is 5% for Poodle. Same with Tosser, same with Dodge or Hodge, sorry. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. You should then be able to purchase and sell your Poodle on Uniswap. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. Billy Wiz over and out.